at it like a motherfucking crack addict, man. This your boy ZT Zoomin, and I'm back with another booming video. So I heard back from PROCHARGER. We got great news, you guys. So for my 2017 Camaro SS that I just recently PROCHARGED, I've been having trouble with my tune, so I've been data logging. We doing the same exact thing today, you guys. Data logging. Color is looking crazy on the white balance. Anyway, so I heard back from PROCHARGER. They sent me out a tune. They were super cool about it this time, you guys. So you know what? I appreciate the hell out of them for that, because, you know, it's been a hassle more or less so far, and I really thought this tune thing was gonna be a hassle, but luckily they replied and they said it's probably gonna take a couple changes to get this straightened out, but that is all good with me. I don't care if I gotta go and data log 50 times. As long as we're able to get this thing straightened out, I can get a good tune on it, I am all good with that. So big shout out to PROCHARGER on that one, and big shout out to everybody that's been hopping in the comments. So PROCHARGER wanted me to add something while I'm data logging. PROCHARGER wanted me to add a parameter. The parameter here is the mass airflow sensor hertz. They said that that would help them out, and then based on the suggestions of one of you guys in my comments, appreciate you, man, you've been helping me out a ton. I went ahead and I added the fuel pressure, I added the fuel rail pressure, and then I added the injector pulse widths on each bank. So we're gonna take it out, we're gonna log just like we did in yesterday's vlog. Yeah, like I said, I don't care if I gotta log out here 50 times. If PROCHARGER helps me get this thing straightened out, I'm gonna be so hyped. And also, I don't know if I'm tripping. The moment I hopped in my car today and took off, even in the lower RPMs, I already feel a ton more power. So I got a feeling they're really getting things dialed in. Thought somebody walking up on me, man. If somebody run up, they finna get done up. So like I was saying, I don't care if it takes 50 logs to get this straightened out. And yo, on my ride over here, the long-term fuel trims looked so much better. I mean, I think they only broke positive 10 like one time in the way lower RPM. So this is giving me a ton of hope. Finally, you guys, finally. But like I said, man, don't give up, y'all. You never know what might happen if you keep on trying. So that's what we're doing. I'm switching to the GoPro. I'll sync the footage up on the screen just like before. Let's get it. All right, you guys, now if you saw me talking in the last vlog when I first took off, I'm saying the miles per hour out loud, so when I go back to sync the footage on the laptop here, I kind of got an idea. Let's get into this data log. What I'm doing is I'm taking the car through different RPM bands and holding it there so that they can get a better read on everything going on. 38, 39, 43. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! This baby moving, y'all. This baby moving. You guys see that old Camaro that passed by us too? Oh boy, snapped his neck. I didn't even have a chance to glance over at the Lambdas as we were going, but I'm telling you, I can just already feel more power. She felt good. Let's make another pass or two, then we'll hop on the freeway. Now the guy said that it's gonna take a couple changes and that the throttle position sensor. So PROCHARGER said they're not gonna take big chunks of fuel from the fuel correction. It may take a couple times. Asked me what he wanted me to log. And then he says the wide open throttle looked like he would expect with the fuel trims the way that they were. And so he says it will be richer until we get the part throttle correction to a smaller number. So basically that's what the logs are gonna be for. I won't be getting into wide open throttle too much because it seems like he's not going to be able to adjust it for a log or two anyways. I pretty much did right there. I'll probably do it one more time when I pull on the freeway. Excuse me. And then that's it. Not going to do any more wide open throttle. Fuel trim numbers though are looking so much better, as I'm sure you guys see, but man, feels good to have some hope about this thing again. This time we're gonna do it in third gear. I did all my RPMs in second gear on that one, but the throttle was just a little too touchy. 27, 28. 34, 35. RPMs about every 500 and hold it for about 5 seconds. That's what I'm trying to do. Explain it. It's like way more responsive. It feels way more smooth. Like, man, a tune. I mean, I knew it before I did this, and I'm sure you guys are gonna be like, oh, I told you so. But seriously, a tune is freaking everything with your forced induction car. I want to whip a donut so bad, but still just don't quite trust this tune, so I ain't gonna push it, y'all. Man, I want to whip it. All right. One thing I noticed though when I watched back my last data logs, tell me my car don't sound great, man. That course is screaming. Shutter down on the data log pools. I think we got enough. Haven't even been looking over at the freaking Lambda. I don't know, I'm tripping, but gotta look at the damn road, to be honest. So we're gonna hop on the freeway right now. We'll get one wide open pool, send it back over to ProCharger and see what it's hitting for. All the way through the RPM band right there, you guys. I love that. The one time you did see the RPMs bounce when I was coming out from under that underpass, I hit a bump. That was my foot on the throttle. When I was actually in gear and I had a good solid, when I was actually in gear and I had my foot good and solid on the pedal, smooth, smooth, smooth. Man, I love that, you guys. Oh, this feels like, I mean, even just this little improvement feels like a giant weight off of my freaking shoulders. I've been stressing about this like no other. But also, this does not mean that I'm giving up on getting a final tune in this thing. Trust me. I still want to make as much power as I can, baby. But like I told you guys, man, don't give up. Especially if you guys, you know, you got like that gumption or you really believe in it. Like, at the worst, all somebody can tell you is no, man. So keep on trying. And if they tell you no, shit, try again anyways, y'all. Don't let nothing stop you. And I appreciate all you guys that shout out to me and you guys spread positivity to me. Like when you guys tell me that something I did inspires you or gave you the motivation to go do something yourself, like that gives me motivation to keep on making these videos for you guys. I love you guys so damn much, you don't even know. I literally got like an inspirational message today through phone call, through text, through comment, and through DM. I mean, that's like every method of communication you guys managed to reach. You guys managed to reach out to me and just show me some love. So shout out to you guys. We on the road to 500 subs. What should we do for 500 subs? I don't know. Go ahead and drop a comment down below if you got something you want to see at 500 subs. If you guys got some opinions or you can help me out about what you see on these data logs. Ooh, something up there taking off. It's on my head snap, man. I love all types of cars. Mopar, Ford, I don't care. You got a V8, man, we could be friends. But this your boy ZT Zoomin. I'm keeping it moving, baby, and I'm out. Hey!
Oh, and hey, I'm in a full outfit today, too. You see me.